Kim tiniis si Sian. Sa kanyang Instagram account nagbahagi si Kim Chiu ng latest video sa kanyang feed. Ipinasilip niya ang kanyang latest trip abroad. Makikita sa clip ang aktres sa loob ng isang tren na nagbibiyahe ng solo. May caption itong "Travel solo once in a while. Moments of solitude and self-reflection." May pahabol na mensahe pa itong "Someone told me it's okay to get lost sometimes, that's where the adventure begins." Marami naman ang nag-react at bumilib sa tapang ng It's Showtime host na mag-travel ng nag-iisa. Meron ding naghanap kung nasaan ang jowa nitong si Sian Lim. Nagsolo raw ito at tiniis ang B. Ito ang ilan sa kanilang mga komento. More travel and vlog to share with us, thank you po. Sino taga-kuha ng picture video kung solo siya? Your boyfriend must have wanted to join you on this trip. Sad. Saan ang travel buddy mo sis? At Chinita Princess. Bakit asa na si Bella? I do solo trip every year, it's a tradition for me. Tripods, Apple Watch and a camera remote shutter go a long way. Yes, it's true cause everything must start from yourself. Actually solitude is a bliss as it's the way to know more of yourself. As the saying goes, you cannot give what you do not have, it must start from oneself. Good job Kimi. Heart. Keep it up Queen, Kim. Yeah, it's okay to get lost sometimes, basta may dalang pera ka lang talaga dapat. Love traveling on my own. Enjoy your vacation Chinita Heart. May netizen ding nagtag sa boyfriend nitong at Sian Lim.